up there and it's never a problem. So there has to be, I know that there's a law, I don't know what it is.
They have an ordinance.
Yeah, so is that the ordinance that we need to make this all work?
Well, that's,
And if it is, we please have the names that Ally Miller was talking about written down, so that we can make the difference with our vote and make this happen. I mean, that's what this is all about, right? Not for, I mean, and Sheriff, I know you guys are going to.
yes. Can I give them the question and you can answer? But basically she's saying is there, she wanted to know the names of those who stopped the ordinance and wanted to know, she knows that she lives about a block away from LaWall Valley and knows they don't have any problems and they have an ordinance. So she says, is that the ordinance we should be adopting? So.
And thank you for everything.
I put this on twice. And we used Laurel Valley. I had to work with the county attorney's office and they did the writing. We used Laurel Valley, Loretta's ordinances, and we looked at all of the ordinances. And the county attorney did a very good job drafting the ordinance the second time. The first time was good, and the second time they were very careful in how they wrote it. Couldn't get a second. And what we need is a lot of people to come to that board meeting. And I'm here tonight to ask the sheriff, county attorney LaWall, will you stand with me before the board of supervisors when I put this on the agenda and ask them to pass it so that you can do your job and you can do your job.
For everybody. I am the lawyer for the Board of Supervisors, so not only for Ms. Miller, but for all of the other individuals. So one of the things that the county attorney's office does, we do all the legal work for any member of the Board of Supervisors who asks, but we don't ever take a political position because it is a decision by the Board of Supervisors, and it would be a direct conflict of a legal conflict to do that. So I will do whatever you ask in terms of drafting ordinances and presenting them, but I am not going to be taking a position one way or another on your behalf or anybody else's behalf, and I hope you understand.
So, did you ask that to me? Will I stand with you? Yes, if you get the ordinance passed, and I'll support the ordinance. But here's my issue. You don't want the sheriff writing laws.
I just want you to stand with me and say that you need this
ordinance. If you have an ordinance that passed, I'll stand with you, absolutely. Is that what you're asking? Oh, yeah, so, yes, you're asking for political support.
Yes.
Yeah.
The particular ordinance that we've been talking about is posted on the county website. So any and all of you can go to that website and look it up and see what it says, and you can take a position.
Ms. Miller, so I understand you right. You're saying to stand with you as you present the ordinance, not as a... No, I won't do that. No, ma'am, I can't. I'm not going to be involved in the politics. Just not. I will enforce whatever law you have. That's my goal, is to public safety and enforcing laws. If I get politically involved with her, who else do I get politically involved with? I'm sorry, Ms. Miller, even my personal belief, even if it's my personal belief, I can't do that for you. Well, and we're doing what we can for them. As the sheriff's department. Yes, sir, I'm sorry.